Well, listen, breaking news coming in at this hour. This is in context of, in fact, Mohan Bhagwat, the RSS chief's comments coming in on language. The RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat has said, and I quote, that at least inside our houses, we should speak our mother tongue. He's further gone on to say that if you live in another state or region, then you should learn the language of that state or region because all languages are India's national languages. This is the latest that we're tracking at this hour. The RSS chief seems to have weighed in into the language row. He's gone on to say that one should learn languages and that one should, in fact, at least inside their houses, speak their mother tongue. He's further gone on to say that if an individual lives in a particular state, then they must learn the language of that state, since all the languages are India's national languages. Let's also listen in to what the RSS chief had to say.
हमको कम से कम अपने घर के चौखट के अंदर भाषा अपनी बोलनी चाहिए। मेरी मातृभाषा में मैं बोलूंगा। अपने देश में अनेक भाषाएं हैं, सबको समझ में आए इसलिए कोई एक व्यवहार भाषा चाहिए, वो भी मैं सीख लूंगा। और जिस प्रांत में मैं रहता हूं वो अगर दूसरा प्रांत है तो वहां के लोगों की भाषा भी मैं सीख लूंगा, क्योंकि सारी भारत की भाषाएं अपनी राष्ट्र भाषाएं हैं। उनका मूल एक है, उनके शब्द अलग अलग है, उनमें भाव एक है।